Dragging those rails. That's fine. That's what they're for. Okay. Do I still need to be locked?
Yeah, go passenger a little bit.
Okay. I can't turn it anymore.
Okay, just keep pressure on it and just ease forward and keep going, trying to go faster. Okay, right there. Okay, now straighten up. Yeah, you're good now. Easy does it. Stay a little bit faster.
That line works. I mean, I think that's free and flip.
Yeah.
On that line.
Yeah, you just gotta run the slider over that rock for a
Yeah.
bit. Good job.
Okay, this is where it gets really precarious.
You got him from here?
Yeah. Okay.
Try and unlock your front lock.
Good job.
Yep.
So, here's what I need you to do. Stop.
Okay.
I need you to go as far up this hill as you can,
Okay.
without hitting the tree. And then I need you to turn hard up this hill.
Okay.
Okay? And I'll get you around this big rock.
Okay. I still got the front lock, so it's hard to turn.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Now, there you go.
No, that's wrong.
Don't keep turning that way. Come this way.
Yeah, buddy, my friend.
Well, that's not going to do us any good. Can you get it unlocked?
Yeah.
Is it the e-locker?
We plan on pointing. Okay, that way.
Yeah, you're pointing that way, so you need to come back this way. There you go. Perfect. Now kick hard that way. I'm trying to keep you off that rock.
Yeah. Like I said, I don't care about dragging these sliders.
Yeah.
I got skids under them. Here's the deal.
It's going to get a little precarious going up this hill, but I need you to go hard up that hill. Hang on, I'm coming. Nice and slow. Keep going. Turn driver. Okay, now you can go passenger. Passenger. No! Okay, keep going, driver. Nice and slow. Slow. Slower. Stay driver. Now turn hard passenger.
Big old rock slider.
Alright, there you go.